There's a tank. I've already taken the top off. I've emptied out as much of the coolant as I could using a turkey baster, and I put a little hose on the end so I can get down to the very bottom. I just saved them in some water bottles. So the next step is pull these little clips, and they're the standard Audi VW type of little clip where you pull it up, get it up a little bit. There, it popped. Thing pops off, and then just click them back down, and then it won't fall out. You can keep that guy. Careful with this guy. I've seen a lot of guys online say that these can snap off at the other end over here, so I'm just going to move them over to the side. So now I just have the tank. It's all empty. I've pulled off this other clip at the back already. Now I have the one down at the bottom, which is located way down here. And I've already popped the clip up, and I moved it just to make sure it moves. Now I'm going to get in here and take these two, I believe they're 10 mil, take those guys off, and then I'll be able to lift it up. I'm hoping that I can lift it up enough that I can get to the coolant level sensor, pull the sensor off, unplug it, and then be able to grab this hose at the bottom, pull that off while this is tilted so that none of the little bit of, I got a little tiny bit left at the bottom, hopefully it doesn't come out, and then I can click this bottom one right onto the new one almost right away. But these two bolts are just 10 mil, I didn't video that, it's ridiculous. And I loosened these off. They're actually on a welder. That up there. This one off. There, now it's free. Just gonna fumble around here. Yeah, there's a little boot here on the bottom. See that or not? I'm pushing. There we go. This little guy will go on the bottom of this new one. There we go. He's all set. Okay. What else? I can get this clip off now. Here, so I got that off. There's the, pull this thing off. Let's see how this goes. Better than I thought it was gonna. Alright, get the power clip and the level sensor back in. This is actually the reason why I'm switching it. telling me I was low cooled all the time. There's just a sensor in there. That's on good. This into the pushing hole here. There we go. This guy's in here. There. It's in.
Down, be careful not too tight. Keep things from moving around.
There we go. Alright. Let's plug this guy back on. He's good. Let's plug this guy back on. That's good.
All the stuff I took out.
Looks like I almost got it all out. Alright, that's good. What else? Connections are all checked. Nothing's leaking out down there. Looks good. I have to add a tiny bit, but I think that's plenty for now. See? Go. That should be it. See how that edits up, but she is done.